Kaylan, the fight with Kaylan in is not for Kaylan. A Kaylan friend that takes man in the community. You understand me? The girl not come from the community, in a Kaylan friend not come from the community, but she take a man down there. And you take up the woman little daughter, and because Kaylan force right, Kaylan go and Kaylan and everybody catch up. Move on a nastiness. That's why Kaylan and her mama could have never get early. We don't expect them to do. Them a bribe adults with baby crutches. So we don't expect them to do now, people.
But a long time anyone in them kind of pornography the best because Annie used to do that with herself. And upload a man them upload a video on
remember Annie so good on one side and Jack has the next side wrong.
So I know some of them people are going like saying certain things that will give them salvation.
Exactly.
Don't piss me mad.
Nobody now hold Annie accountable, but you don't want all Junior, you don't want all TikTok boss, you don't want all Zozo accountable. Why are adults so quick to have silly kids? And an adult, you have some adults. You have some adults. Remember when you did young in a church? When you did young, your crutches that jump for big cocky, you know. Yet about why is it? Sometimes the little girl them walk and advertise themselves to your husband, your baby father, your boyfriend. So stop it. But why is it that adults are so quick to have sex with kids? If pick me a walk and advertise, what you expect them to do? This is what I'm talking about. None of you upon this can never say, you never did a loss of a big man when you're young. You like big old. You like big cocky. Number one, you go to school, you in your 7th grade, you there with one 10th grade boy. True or false? Because the whole
don't show no word from me.
Hush, right. My friend get trapped. Yeah, she get caught in the trap. No, it's true. All of we can sit down and say not me, not me, not me. None of we never grind with age. None of we never grind with age, and the rule reverse. When we're getting older, we want younger people to look our way. A lot of us can sit on the app and say not we, not we, not we. Me hear a school girl say she don't want no lunch money. Want a man? You know much taxi man there with uniform? You know much taxi man there with uniform? So it's not a case where why is it quick for XYZ? Why is it quick for them? You advertise yourself, I always tell you to stand in caca. Advertise yourself, I always tell you to stand in caca. And you saka till you come, they are going to do it. That is why a lot of you guys, husband, baby father and boyfriend, stop look power on a relationship sour. Nobody no want them age group. Nobody don't want you say me a 99 and a quarter, my man a 99 and a half. Alright?
That's why some of them get one with young girls.
Yeah. Nobody don't wants to hear that. No one wants to hear that. So now go like it's incredulous. And so now act like hold on there. Now act like it's incredulous. No. It's okay for come on the app and play a good girl, a good parent, a good mother. Yeah, it's okay for us to play a good girl, good guardian, good this, good that. And it's that Annie though. That's why Annie say, police! 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 Because Annie know exactly what she do. Annie are one of them first we sell her daughter, them, all of them down to Alex. Oh. Annie sell all her daughter, we're not gonna blame men. We're not gonna blame men for mother's negligence. Please take some accountability. You have your daughter, you know say you gotta have man out there because some 13, 14 and 15 year old look like 17 and 18. And that is just the truth. Some 13, 14, 15, 6, some 13 and 14 year old look like 17, some 15 year old look like 19. And we can't escape that because some of them breasts and body big long time. Eh? What turn on man? That's why Kay go do one rotted shape then come out favor Reebok sign. It's just the truth. When always try to make a mountain out of a molehill, you not split justice, you know. You don't want to blame Zozo, you don't want to blame TikTok boss. TikTok boss can't say anything and Zozo can't say anything at all in this world. Cancel him. I'm too out of order. Leave your daughter careless now. Leave your daughter careless, I say. Leave your daughter carelessly, I say. Me tell you every day, if you guys were in Jamaica and on a drive on the on the uptown strip at night time, you see some little boys wiping car glass after 8 in the nights. Some little babies wiping car glass come up at your window. You know what them a tell us, eh? Them a do this if you can't give them one lunch money if you go back to school. Them learn from day one how to sell themselves because them start with lies. So when a man start gear, you call him father. And then by the time you reach all 15, you end up in a vehicle. He might carry you home, go dig out your possible. Because these parents leave up them picnic and them say the next best thing for hustle. Everybody a hustle. Everybody a hustle. And nobody not talk about them something there. Nobody not talking about those things. Oh, when I was living in Jamaica and I drive, I say go home. I say no come on my window, go home. I say go on home. Come in and give a little picnic no money on the street. I say go home. Shebada, I watch all of your show them. You're too young for you watch all of my show them because I had the show from before you born. You not even know much commercial left on TV. Go on home. Oh. Yeah, now come sweet me up. Go home. Me not run picnic joke. Go on home. You be right here. But them parents there, them mama no miss them. Or she knows so them gone out, gone white glass and don't care. Andrew only to take scrape them up off of the roadside. And when the parents come for them, Andrew lock up the parents and send on the picnic go grow themselves. No, it's true. Because obviously the picnic go himself. You understand what I say? When you check the parties them nowadays, that's why them little girl like Zoe have to get big cocky. Because when you check the parties them nowadays, appear underage their party. No ID now ask to come in a party. You just dress big and go in. We know these things. We know these things. So we can stop act like we don't know them. We know them something. A beer picnic. When holiday time come, and you come home all after 1, 2, 3 o'clock, and them full up New Kingston and walk a trouble madman. Am I lying? And them each up all in a cemetery with boyfriend. You never know them and them man gone. One whole syndicate of them. With the parents there. My daughter gone at half a tree gonna look on the clock. Huh? It's just the truth. Yeah, me just let her out. I the same thing with Kaylan mama, you know. You know, say suck out Kaylan and lick out Batty her mother. At the same thing, you know. Kaylan was a little girl and Andrew only say quarantine, lockdown, state of emergency, and them a key party. And Kaylan got party when she was underage. True or false? When she was underage, them not care about what Andrew say. I know what Kaylan mother say. Yeah, true, she lock up in the house like Kaylan used to in a house. Like Kaylan a walk a suck wood for my idea uncle. Yeah, at the same thing. Why Kaylan get her ass pop. At the same reason why. So when her mama jump up and attack, the whole of them so cocky as syndicate. Oh. The whole of them so cocky in a group. At the same, and Kaylan, the fight with Kaylan in is not for Kaylan. A Kaylan friend that takes man in the community. You understand me? The girl not come from the community in a Kaylan friend, not come from the community, but she take a man down there. And you take up the woman little daughter, and because Kaylan force right, Kaylan go and Kaylan and everybody catch up. Move on a nastiness. That's why Kaylan and her mama could have never get the best of me. Them could have never get the best of me. But here was Shebada said the little girl for dead. Go suck your mother. If Kaylan for dead, she just roll over and dead. Oh, yeah, come at that, but say, look how Shebada call long. If Kaylan for dead, she for just dead. After me never dress Kaylan and put her out a door for them beat her. You want to come me put on Kaylan clothes? No, it's true. I never me put on Kaylan clothes and the mother not talk that and the mother not taking accountability for that. That you leave your daughter up for grabs. You leave your daughter up for grabs. The mama are the cause why Kaylan in other situation, yeah. The mama are the cause. Don't blame nobody. If nobody did even say Kaylan for dead, and the mama cause it. Oh, I know your daughter crippled, nobody no want her old cause nobody with no oars. And that's just the truth. That is just the truth. And if you don't come tomorrow again, I will still have the same argument about suck cocky Kaylan and lick out Batty her mother. Yeah, nobody and her mother came and live with a bunch of lies. Nobody in the community not even know my daughter. And Kaylan the on Tinder, I say she has 17. Eh? When Kaylan about 15 or 16. Kaylan the on Tinder look man. Go on man. On a little bit of orin. I pay a pus on a bring. Pay a pus. Oh, wanna know say one thing when it comes to Kaylan. I take a lot of beat for Kaylan and I not take no more. Kaylan and her mother go suck each other. Yeah. Yeah, it's true. Your daughter, you don't know nothing about Kaylan. Nothing. When you come back with the attacks, Kaylan couldn't talk. And Kaylan has signal people in the back and have a growing conversation. Go on, man. Oh. Kaylan get up off her deathbed and Kaylan say, what? With the song when she need more song. And she come out of hospital, so look from when Paris a sodomite, from before Paris even think about graduating, or even think about going to college. Look how long Paris a sodomite. You never question that with K. Look how long Paris a sodomite. You never question that. A whole heap of things, and when it come after them doorway, them cry like Annie, police! 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 I say all them go on in a 2020 but Kaylan in a Andrew don't look on them. Cause Andrew say lockdown and you talk about me just say nah because she lock up in the house. She should be and always will. You see though, now she stay in one place. Andrew only say, Tana your yard. You gonna party. As a little girl. In a pandemic, in a quarantine, in a shutdown, in a Tanaya yard, she take up herself and go on a party, gonna help her friend fight over a man. Nobody never say that. And the little girl, not little about Kaylan big old, just like Zoe. Yeah. Yeah, me not ask you know. Yeah, me not ask you know. And one thing, you know. You see me that at school? Stop speaking on people's kids. Bring your own, come let me tell you how them are germs and them have no future. Come suck with from sideways with 2 mint ball in your mouth just in case we poop when you suck with. We don't want to stink up your tongue. Good, she locked down now, don't. If I not by will, I by force. True or false? Oh, the picnic now ban again. No kid now ban again. Oh, number one, if you're going a bus, nobody now get up, no picnic now, no school as we sit down in a bench from morning till morning. Now get up and give a old lady the seat. Am I lying? Them don't respect them elders. Them don't respect them elders. Them a pass and cost 1 extra amount of bad word and you're an adult and them don't even recognize that you are an adult. Them don't even respect the uniform with them in a yet about those people kids and people that bring forth germs. You have some people that bring forth germs out of them crutches. Eh? We understand that kids pay fare too. That is not the point. It's about being courteous and respectful.
So you will get there one day.
Exactly. You will get there one day. So you come and talk about say kids pay fare too. Go suck your mama. Oh, we not care if kids want pay fare.
People like them.
And people like Uno. And people like Una the quickest one for come out and talk. But you know say them pitney and move your nastiness about kids pay fare too. We not care about that. We're just talking about the respect. The respect we're talking about.
That's why someone accept the bare minimum from man.
Exactly. So true kids pay fare too. You don't even teach your child at home that to respect adults. So your child can pass say 2 grown folks and she and her friend walk. I say the boy land him hood in my mouth. The boy land him hood in my mouth and me not in the line, my lip just couldn't leg half of it. Eh? You of all persons shouldn't be speaking on anyone. Why? I mean, not behave like everybody on the app where I entertain you. No black eye because she have a point for make. Me of all persons should be speaking on kids. Me are one of the fittest one to speak on people, picnic and people. You know why? Because the whole of have me as dog and sorcerer. And when you check the levels, most persons on the internet are worse than me. I lie. Them a do everything we wanna expect me to do. So me can speak on people and people's kids. You never know that. So make your argument plausible. Make your argument plausible.
A free speech come suck me.
Exactly. Make your argument plausible now. The names and the things they wanna put Pam wanna expect say, yeah, I saw Shebada stay. One thing wanna can say about me never drop the ball yet, cause me's a good goal attack. Oh, me never drop the ball yet. You never know that. Wanna never see me and a boy sit down on the internet yet in a compromising position. Wanna never hear nothing about me yet say X, Y, and Z. Everything a made up story. Ask cute boss. Everything a made up story. You never know. Wanna give me money some man, there's some man all over the town, and wanna never see me and a boy on the app yet in a compromising position for someone's stomach sick. Make it make sense now. Yeah. So we talk, I'm fit for speak for anybody pick me all cute boss son when name Dada or Daddy boy or whatever him want name. Yeah, the one with sodium I kill, cause pay a cup soup him drinking like she train him for go live at China. Pay noodle. So me one of the fittest person for talk. Well, you never see that yet? No, you can't see that. Because guess what? For me call Shebada name are the worst thing, don't? But when you check the levels, it's no worse than me and you pick them a dog and sorcerer. No, Petal is true. So tell me the truth. Remember to give me all sort of something in a all sort of basket for carry water and put plastic in it. That's why I'm not stay the river nor the well. You never know. No, but I'm not lie. But don't speak on people's kids. A mother them here. Them here atcha and a mother. Them are atcha. Them walk and atch for cocky.
She probably same thing too. That's why she has said that.
Exactly, she's the same thing. She grew up picking them like germs. That is why she can't come up and talk, so. You're speaking ill of people's kids as a fish. It goes to show it's not ill I'm speaking. So when them want to suck a multiple cocky, you understand me, and come out and tell you say your daughter is wrong or you are a bad mom, you need to listen, because remember would me suck. So when you hear a wood sucker tell you the truth, you listen. You listen. You listen attentively and try to learn something. You never know. So all the way you say still not make no sense, my baby. Cause only you alone know say me have fish, cause me have swim in your sun bottom. I never tell you for birth and aquarium. Hey, thank you. Thank you, Parental. Yeah. Parental say all always so cool. Yeah, so we are saying. What you really are trying to say? When you hear somebody where you have as Batman and tell you how for go you pick me and how kids should go, you should take lessons. Then you can imagine if I could have breed back where. Suppose my back could have bring something in it for 9 months and it come through my ears. You can imagine how me that take care of it better than how you take care of your kids. No, me just ask you something. You know what we put things in English which no one can spell and understand. So what you say? Can you notice me beg them not black you because I'm not arrogant. And I'm not ignorant to nothing what you say. I understand the level of stupidity which you are coming from. Yeah. Here you know you're going on somebody else. Focus on me and your attack. Not argue with nobody in your chat and me and your attack. You come to make a point, make a valid point so you can live in peace. Black me for the truth. What truth? Oh, you're so delusional. What truth? Eh?
Grown in Jalen or Kaylan, you're so done.
She can't
Go read a book, man. My name is Roy. I am a boy.
Yeah. Black me for speaking the truth. To speak on Kaylan. Let me just correct it for you. Kaylan suck would like dog. She and her mother and her stepfather. I said it. What you gonna do? What truth is there about Kaylan after never married Kaylan? Well, we're not gonna talk to the people about Kaylan after Kaylan in a man toss up as a little girl. as a little baby girl, she in a man toss up. So how you get shoot this now, my baby? Cause me like when you come from here, so I make you self in an ass, you know. How you get shoot this so? Hmm? How you speak ill pan Kaylan when Kaylan ill base and the lick them we should get?
Literally.
Literally, not metaphorically. Hmm? Hmm? Exactly. She know is she ever see me take cocky yet? But we see Kaylan get the beating. Yeah. So that is the thing. So you now make no argument. That's why enough of you only can go over the mix-up site them and go in the comment section and say it's true. Because you don't know why you the truth.
You know, say that the word lack accountability.
Accountability. Accountability.
Accountability.
Yeah.
For true. The word lack it bad.
Yeah, so we are taxed out of your mouth now, Browning. Eh? Like them black Browning already, and Browning have more things to say, you know. Me like when them come and make an answer themselves, you say, because them can't reason, them have no reasonability.
But them grow up and lies in a bestie.
Exactly. Exactly. So cute boss come out there and say, Shebada, do this, and then no say cute boss is a troller. That is what she do. I mean help her buy her bed. And the whole on the road with the narrative. It's true, I mean help cute boss change her bed. Remember she and her son did asleep? Yeah, I mean help her buy her bed. Come the people sending the money like I want buy the army uniform them. And all I know on the story no stop change up.
What was that?
I don't know.
I don't understand that.
I don't like she want me not to go back and forth. Me not gonna go back and forth with you. No. Me not people not understand how me are. Me not gonna go back and forth with you because see once you start coming with lies, I can't out, you know. Can I just say you defeat yourself. You defeat yourself. Yeah, ask him to send one AIDS test, to do the AIDS test. Ask him how you see him face when you talk about Anthony. And she alone know about AIDS and AIDS people. She remember Rosalie will come tell me say the pill name retroviral. Cause from we born until now we never know about AIDS pill. Cause nobody won't never have AIDS. It's true. And then all of a sudden the argument just a jump and a jump. And if you notice nobody on TikTok don't take up the argument but she. And she alone. You not feel lonely, lady? Huh? You not feel lonely? She alone take up the argument and I saw. And the people them over alive. Yes, they're alive. A true. A this. And then me help cute boss by her bed. Thank God she did argue with my pretty chef. You can imagine how cute boss wake up early in morning time because he campaign. Eh? And it's a queen size bed cute boss by in a king size room. It's a queen size bed.
Man, where them age if you sleep on king size and
she should have spread out on a roll.
Worse when you use your pom pom for so long.
Remember when I buy my patio set? She come in at the argument about and me make Shebada come off of the fridge top. She full of fantasy. Me can't argue with people them. So me and him are Aquarian, so we think alike. No girl. Ask anybody about me can't reason. You understand me? Me no pick sides. Yeah. Me no tell people say for come. You cute Stitch. What you say? Yeah. But 40 days and 40 nights, not until they bring out Anthony, then the 40 days and 40 nights.
None of them people up on the app can choose to argue with you and use your slang them back in.
That's my point.
You're dunce. You're very dunce. You're slow.
Remember me teach cute boss words like deflect, project, and all of them something there. Remember, nobody not say that, you know. Nobody don't say that. Remember me start the Bible study and cute boss come up and I try Bible verse, you know. But people don't realize that's why I don't pay her much mind. I just GR. Cause cute boss now make no sense. What cute Stitch say? Exactly. People are proud of what they should be ashamed of. For sure. Cute Stitch, where you send my baby? Yeah. People should be proud. 1 minute she have whole heap of voice notes, 1 minute she have whole heap of evidence, 1 minute and just not because people don't understand. Since when you are a scammer, according to cute boss. Me, you know, sister cute boss a fantasy. Right now, me a scammer, me nobody have AIDS. Me a scammer now, caca fart. Me a step up. See what me a tell you now? You see what me I tell you now? Sit right here so and tell me if me ever come on this and scam nobody.
Let's see.
Sit right here. Well, I just sit right here so and tell me if me ever use a laptop and say, this is Macy Gray calling from Bank of America. Them not have no argument. Them not have no argument.
Scam cute boss and new mouth.
A new mouth. What are we have mouth with an ashtray? These are the stuff me I tell on the people. These are the stuff me I tell you now. You see it? But you see, remember them say cute boss sell dash belly pill in our community. Remember, you know, the picture where one vlogger put up with the pad in the rubbish pan, you know what people say? So which pad for go? How can you not conceal your monthly blood properly and hide that shit? Or you just take off your... Yeah. Or you just take off your pad and throw it on the rubbish pan and right which pan the rubbish pan there at this of the seafood boil sell. None of you believe what me I tell you now. Right which part the pad there in the rubbish pan at
let's
this.
see what a lizard there.
One little one? Oh, upon that hose at two of them. Yeah. I write this of the seafood boil sell. But you see when time people point out certain things that is not hygienic, you know walk and cuss them because you're nasty. At that bun, I just that alone bun cute boss. Remember cute boss say she set me up, you know. But yet still remember when we come from Walmart, she say, oh I'm sure if I may yard that. I'ma tell you now. I'ma tell you now. You know like hear the truth. A whole heap of woman me go around and me I tell you say when pada take off, not even your man know when you conceal your pada. You never know. Not even your man know.
Things will never be the same.
Yeah, me not ask you no. Me not ask you no. But you know what can justify every nastiness to people. That is why when I tell you say, nobody can invite me at any fish fry, cookout or cake, so you don't think I lie me I tell. I rather support the event and move on. Nasty man. Nasty. Nasty. Very nasty. But no, I don't like hear the truth because no found nasty. When she depend on like me hear them I say, but me come at the fish fry and it tastes good because it laced with pad. Yeah. Draw back for the seafood video. You see the concrete wall. See the rubbish bin here so, the food I serve here so, cute bass down here so, and she spit right here so. Right there so she spit.